Hello everyone, welcome back to Tina Teach Django. Today's lesson is about 404 error page. We're going to be customizing this error page over here. First off, what is 404 page not found? It is an error page that appears when you direct to a browser address that doesn't exist, okay? For example, I have, a bunch of nonsense over here. And once I copy and paste this in a new browser, I will get one of two display. The first one is the built-in Django 404 template with a simple, not found. I'm sure you've seen either of these pages before. And then the second one appears when debug is set to true in your settings.py file. Okay, let's move on now to customizing 404. We're actually customizing, not the second file, debug is true, but the first one, built-in Django 404 template. And we do that first by creating a 404.html in the templates folder, right? Because it is its own separate page, therefore we need a whole different template for it. Otherwise, we go back to either of these two if we do not have the custom 404 error page, all right? Now, once we've created 404.html, we can basically add in whatever we want. This is just a simple HTML file, okay? There's nothing fancy in it because it really is just saying, oh, something went wrong. Now, this is an example of what 404.html could be. I have HTML, and then I have the title, right? And I'll just put in here, for example, address not found. And then H144 error, and then paragraph, address is not valid. Are you sure you typed it correctly, right? Just a sample, and then close the body and the HTML. Now to the next part, which is a test run. Now, when you paste in an address that doesn't exist, okay, 404.html will be rendered instead of the default or the one that appears when debug is true in the settings.py file, okay? This lesson is just very simple, very straightforward. It's 404 error page. We'll be moving on to a longer lesson for next topic, okay? So here in templates, I'm gonna create a new file called 404.html. And then we're gonna edit this with Visual Studio Code, doc type, HTML, change this to HTML, I forget all the time. HTML, body, almost forgot the title. 404 error page, wrong address. Go down here. And let's have H1, 404 error. H3, something went wrong, okay? And then I'm gonna delete this part. Then let's go in settings, change debug over here to false. And in allowed host, I'm just gonna put this, all right, that symbol. And then let's run our server. Py-manage.py run server. So now here in a new window, I have a bunch of nonsense up here, and I have my 404.html, 404 error, something went wrong, and the title is 404 error page, wrong address. So thank you for joining in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, learn today, better tomorrow. Next topic is going to be test view. just adding some templates so that we can test without breaking our main Django files, okay? So I hope to see you then, and goodbye.